Hi, my name is Raul Diaz, owner of Bay Valley Roofing, Bay Valley Contractors. Here at Bay Valley Contractors, we offer all kinds of services, from foundation to rooftop. We have a B, which allows us to build, and a C39, which allows us to specialize in roofing. And we offer several types of roofing selections, depending on what your needs are.
We work with GAF, and we are a Master Elite certified contractor through GAF, and that enables us to offer a 25-year labor warranty, something unmatched by the competition. You know, we're really able to provide that warranty for not only labor, but including the actual shingles themselves.
We're Master Elite installers, which is very important. We offer factory warranties because we are Master Elite installers, and we are certified in several other types of material for flat roofs. We're certified in the IB material, which allows us to offer extended warranties for those homeowners who are planning to stay long-term in their homes. We're very thorough when we're doing our roof inspections. We climb in your attic. We do a minimum FHA standards for ventilation, which is very important. And of course, we have all the proper training and courses that we've taken with GAF training and care programs that they offer. More than happy to come out and give you a free estimate on our room additions, patio rooms, sunrooms, or on the many types of roofs that we can install for you. Composition shingle, tile, flat, wood shake, whatever your needs are, give us a call.